Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. And welcome to Miss English Vibes, the place where we make English easy, fun, and confidence building. I'm Hope, and I am so happy you are here today. Now, before we start, I want to ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where someone said, "Tell me about yourself," and your mind just went completely blank? Don't worry, because today, after this video, you will never feel nervous again. We are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English, step by step, in the easiest way possible. So grab your notebook, grab your pen, and let's go. But before we start, I have a small request for you. If you are new here, welcome. And please hit that subscribe button right now. It is completely free and it means the world to me. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. You are amazing and I appreciate you so much. Also, if you find this video helpful, please share it with one friend, one family member, or anyone who is learning English. Because sharing is caring, and together we can help more people speak English with confidence. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Tell me, where are you from? I read every single comment and I reply too. Okay, now, let's get started. Are you ready? Let's go. Cherry blossom. First, let's talk about something very real. Why do we feel so nervous when we have to speak English? The answer is simple: we are scared of making mistakes. We think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? But here is the truth, and please listen carefully: nobody expects you to be perfect. Not even native English speakers are perfect all the time. Making mistakes is not a failure. Making mistakes means you are trying. And trying is brave. So today, no fear. No nervousness. Just you, me, and English. Let's do this together. Cherry blossom. Okay, let's start from step 1, the greeting. Before you say your name, before anything, you always start with a greeting. And it is so simple. If it is morning, you say, "Good morning." If it is afternoon, you say, "Good afternoon." If it is evening, you say, "Good evening." And if you are not sure, just say, "Hello," or "Hi." You can never go wrong with a simple hello. But, and this is very important, always add a smile. A smile is free. A smile makes people feel comfortable. And when people feel comfortable, everything becomes easier. So remember, greeting plus smile. That is your first step. Easy, right? Let's move on. Step 2, your name. Now this sounds very simple, but there is a right way and a more natural way. Both of these are correct. My name is Hope. I'm Hope. But which one sounds more friendly and natural? I'm Hope. Yes. In everyday conversations, I'm Hope feels warmer and more real. In a formal situation like a job interview, you can say my name is Hope. But with friends or new people, keep it natural. And here is a fun tip: if you have a nickname, share it. For example, "Hi, I'm Hope, but my friends call me M." See, immediately friendly, immediately warm. People will remember you. So step 2, say your name with confidence. Don't whisper it, don't rush it, say it clearly, and own it. Your name is beautiful. Step 3, where are you from? And I love this step because it always starts a lovely little conversation. When you tell someone where you are from, they get curious. They might say, "Oh, I've been there."